Of course, you know this, really make sure you maintain the clear character style of the Tarantella, where your quarter note, eighth note is always light, bouncy, like this. Here goes the second part of the theme, where it kind of changes, like I said, every time to connect into the upcoming section of the piece. Now, if you really need, although I'm sure it's easy enough for you guys to get through, you should probably play without the drone, just play the melody. And then, if need be, add the open D string to the mix. Okay, and next section. Here, just like the previous, if you feel like you need to go just practice a little bit the melody to fine-tune your left hand fingerings. Then do that. If not, it's easy enough, like I said, to go from the beginning with the drone attached. Next section. Here, because of the appoggiatura, last time you play, make sure you do, like I marked in the part, the fingering 1-1, A to D flat. So you have 1, 2, 3 available for the appoggiaturas, which should be pretty quickly played. So here it is again. Here's a little bit tricky because of the augmented second, which feel free to try a different fingering, but I opted for 1, 2, 3. So this is gonna be a little bit challenged for most of you, probably based on your own personal technique. But the augmented second should really come out very, very clear. That might be a little bit challenging, but with practice, everything is possible. And here is the ending.